I'm going to live abroad when I get older. I'm going to live abroad. So I'm older now and I'm able to make that decision. So
Hope Lene here, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I've been on this screen recording for y'all. Not saying I haven't been recording videos, because I have. The problem is the editing. I need to edit right after I record it. So now I'm back. I have some things working in my head here, and I'm gonna do a rebranding for my channel. Yes, it's still gonna be called Hope Lene, but I am thinking of adding another name to it. I'm not gonna say it right now, but once I decide on it, you guys will know. I'm gonna have a whole new intro, outro, and all of that. I think I want to get more. No, I know that I want to get more involved with my YouTube channel like I used to be.
this video is going to be added to a previous video that I already recorded. I sat and recorded the Pack With Me video. The whole 15 minutes, no, 13 of the 15 minutes is muted, like it's no sound. So I'm just going to be going over some of the things that, I've talked about throughout there, but I'm excited. It is, what time is it? I think it's like 6 something in the morning. I leave today to go to Thailand. My Uber is scheduled for 11:55. Excuse my manners, you guys. Did I say welcome and welcome back to my channel? If you are new here, welcome in. We're family now. You might as well stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, I do apologize, but be back. Like I mentioned, the previous video, I was talking about rebranding. So I'm going to rebrand my YouTube channel. It's still going to be Hope Lene, but I'm also going to add something else to it. I narrowed it down to one thing I think that I'm going to use, like a title page type thing. Like I watch Lily, yours truly, right? So I watch her. So, but the name of her channel is Life of Lily. So I wanted to incorporate something like that in my channel as well. I'm super excited. I know for me, the biggest thing is editing. And I know for vlogging, the biggest thing for me is sometimes I get in the habit of I will start a sentence or start talking about something and then I'll go on to the next. So throughout this process, this is a learning process for me, and you guys are going to be with me the whole way through. And I'm going to hold myself accountable. I'm going to complete these thoughts that I'm talking to you guys about. And I'm excited. And if you guys are excited and you want to go on this journey with me, stay tuned. The bulk of the first videos that's going to come out is going to be about my trip in Thailand. So when I first went to Thailand in January, right? And I got off that plane, the feeling that I had in my body, my mind, my soul, my every being, with being there, even with staying within the local community, is what I wanted to do. And I didn't want to be in an atmosphere with, just very touristy type thing, where there's a lot of people. I wanted to live among the locals. So that was supposed to be the videos that I had for my previous trip, but my phone and I ended up breaking my phone. I had two phones. Why I haven't gotten it fixed yet, I do not know. There's like I can't even put my password into it to get all of those videos. So I will be going back. Once I get that fixed, I will be going back to show you guys some things that I did on my first trip as well. So my thing is, I want to make sure that feeling was real. You know what I'm saying? Like people say, like, addict or avid user of substances. They look for that extra high type thing. But I'm not. I guess you can. I'm just trying to give you an analogy of how I feel. I want to make sure that feeling is still there, because I did, and I always used to say as a kid, I'm going to live abroad when I get older. I'm going to live abroad. So I'm older now, and I'm able to make that decision. So I need to find out if living in South Asia somewhere is my place. You get what I'm saying? Because I love everything about Thailand. Love, 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 love. I love the respect that the people have for each other. And it was very welcoming to me. I did not experience anything out of the ordinary other than, okay, me being a tourist and sometimes me being on a grab bike getting stopped by, the 12. But I didn't have anything on me for them to even. They just want to know how long you're going to be here. They want to show you. You want you to show your passport and all of that. So I'm super excited about this journey this time going. I will be there for 20 days. To me, in my mind, it's almost a month, type of thing for me to decide if I want to plan to actually move there. Because in Thailand, you can retire at 50 years old. I will be 49 this year. So if I still have that same feeling, then I have a whole. I won't even say that. I mean, I won't even say a whole year. I can do it like a 6 months, a plan, or after this year. So 6 months into the next year, to move to Thailand if that's what I want to do, and then I can be like on a tourist visa, and then I can extend, maybe do like a year of a EB visa before I actually go to the retirement visa. I'm not sure. I don't know how I want to do it, per se, but I want to make sure that feeling is still there. I know this video is probably all over the place, but like I said, I have recorded a whole 15-minute part of me talking about all of this previously, and I just don't want to leave anything out. Okay, because I'm excited, and I hope you guys are excited to see more videos from me.
All right, y'all. So we have these packs over here. So this is my workout stuff over there. I have my swimsuits right there. Up there are two different rows of t-shirts. Right here I have shorts, but they're already pinned. They already with shirts, so they use like little shorts that's like I can wear when it's hot outside. Right here I have 3 pairs of jorts. Right here I have like some I will wear these to the beach type of onesie type of things, like a jumpsuit. These right here is what I have to go through because these are the pants that I want to bring that's like heavier. uh, right here, dresses. Over here, I have like some tank tops. Um, tank tops. That second row is like lounge sleepwear. My little bando section over here, and then I have my sports bras and regular bras, and then maybe just some little cover ups and robes and stuff for the beach. All right, let's get started. All right, y'all. So I'm making it. This is the dresses in this little container. I can put another one in here. I can put another one, two more in here, maybe two more in here, and then a couple over there, and that should take away most of the stuff that I have. So right here, I still have my little cover ups. I just threw them over here. And I gotta take these out of here. So again, I've been throwing stuff to the side too. I threw a whole nother dress over there that I'm not taking. So I'm sure once I go through these shirts and stuff, I'm probably gonna take some of these shirts out because, yeah, enough's enough. Y'all, so these are my jeans and my pants and stuff. So the heavy bulk, I'm gonna put those. I'm gonna vacuum seal those and put them on the other side that I just put the shirts. And then I think I can put one more thing in there. I just have to figure out what that is. It may be my bras and stuff, and my bras and my sports bras. So yeah, but this is what it's looking like. This minus because I just threw that up there. I still have to put these like cover ups in there and my scarves, and then my little beach little onesie things, and then these shorts. I have 3 pair of shorts and 3 shirts over here. I do have to put in consideration that I still have all of that like hygiene stuff that I have to pack. So I don't want to take 2 more bags. So I want to put as much clothes as in this as possible, and then put the other stuff in the big suitcase in hopes that it's not over 50 pounds. You know, so
I am cooking something to eat right now. Like I said, it's 6 something in the morning. I'm super excited. I cannot go back to sleep. I'm just gonna be up for a little bit. I went and double checked my bags, make sure that the Weight was still fine. One of them said 52 pounds. I said, no, no, no. We're going to go back in here. We're going to, reorganize some stuff and get this back down to like 46 pounds. Because, once they get on that conveyor belt, on that weight, at the airport, it might be a little bit more. And I'm grateful too that when I checked in, it said it was going to be a full flight. So mind you, I have 3 bags. They said, let me finish this first. It said on us, check in your carry-on for free. I'm so grateful because I did not want to carry that with me. The reason I have 3 bags is because one of my friends, my friends that live out there, I requested some things from the U.S. that they don't typically have, or they don't have access to out there. And there's a lot of hygiene stuff. So it's like big bottles and all that stuff. So I had to separate it. So one bag won't be 50 pounds on top of my stuff. And anybody that know me, I am an overpacker to the gods. An overpacker to the gods. I would pack a whole big suitcase for 2 days to go home. Why? I don't know. This is decisions. I don't know what I'm going to wear. I don't know if I'm going to go out during a day, maybe, with my mom and them, and then I come back, and then I might go to the pool. I might, I don't know. So I need to have outfits for every occasion. So I don't know. My friend tried to tell me you need 6 to 8 outfits, 3 to 4 workout outfits, 3 pair of shoes. 3 pair of shoes? What is that going to be? Two sneakers and a pair of sandals, or what? What about house shoes? What about swim shoes? What about shower shoes? What about sneakers for other outfits? And what about more than 1 pair of sandals? You get what I'm saying? So I can't. Right now, I'm not my mental won't allow me to only pack that minimal. And I know once I decide if I'm going to move abroad, then I will have to downsize a lot of stuff. But right now, I don't have to. And I have clothes in my closet that I have not worn because I work so much and I want to wear them. You know what I'm saying? It's not super flashy. It's like little stuff like shorts, little jumpers, little cutesy rompers and all that stuff like that. I want to wear it. Thailand is hot, so I want to wear it. All right, y'all. So last night I fried some shrimp. I'll show y'all what they look like. They look so scrumptious. So right here I have some Thai chili sauce. I put some red pepper, cayenne pepper in it for a little spice. And then on the side right here, I'm getting in the habit of eating a lot of stuff. Well, not a lot of rice, but more rice than I had previously. But I made some basmati rice, and I fried up some smoked sardines, and put it on top of that. I was going to take that to lunch when I went to work, but I called out my last shift. So I can prepare for this trip right here, y'all. I'm super excited. Let's try these shrimp. Let's see if we got a crunch. And my rice too. That's so good. Oh, it's so good. I'm trying to see what else I can sit there and talk to y'all about. Like I said, everything is packed. I have my clothes ready. I just put my shirt in the dryer because I cropped it last night. So that's done. I have to remember to put my laptop back in my bag because I need that. My thing is, I'm going to start editing. This video I'm going to start editing on the plane. So I can get ready to post it by the time, I get to Thailand. That means first video down. Any clips in the middle of it, I can post like on my other social media. I got to keep this mindset. Because if not, I would just have a camera roll of videos. Which the other day I was going through. And I have some that I can actually post. So why not post it? Why not post it, Hope? I think I explained like the channel will be lifestyle, wellness. Because I did from September to now, I've lost 43.5 pounds. It wasn't on a shot or anything. I lost it naturally. And I have some video of that too. So I'm going to create a video that if you guys have questions, and what worked for me, I didn't go to the gym at all. I did not go to the gym at all. And I lost 43.5 pounds, and I've been able to maintain it up until now. Currently, I go from like 199, 197, 198, 199, 197, 198. So I'm kind of like in that weight range, and I was 244. Your girl was chunky, but not like, yeah, I was, but I'm 5'11" too, so I was big bone. hmm I had to get that weight up off of me because I want to be 50 fine, 50 fine. Don't you get it? But I'm gonna continue on. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of this video. It might be, it might not be, but I'm just gonna say it now. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely hit that notification button so you'll know when I post another video. I do not have a schedule yet, but I think I'm just gonna start. Maybe I will try to do it like twice a week. I'm not sure, or maybe start out once a week. However, I decide, I will let you guys know. Until next time.